Hello, today I am going to show you how you can use this amazing plugin. So watch this video till the end. First you have to find and choose the title of your post. Okay, you can use anything. I am using this SEMrush, so I choose this keyword and now I have to come on the this tool. Okay, put your title here and you can select language, which language do you want, writing style, writing tone, and how many heading do you want. You can select. I selected like 5 heading and h2 tag. As well you can add keywords. Okay, like adding keyword only available in pro plan. So yeah, I will tell you in later in this video, okay, how you can purchase that plan. Like introduction, conclusion, add table of contents, and link if you want to add any link like anchor tag in your, so you can add meta description and tags. Okay, I can add one tag. Okay, this now you just have to click on generate. We have to wait few seconds. Okay, it will create whole article for us. So let me open this in new tab in meanwhile. So yeah, I can show you other things. Just avoid background noise if you facing any background noise. So yeah, it's generating content for us. Okay, let me show like about pictures. This is absolutely free website. There we can choose and find free like stock picture. Okay, for our, so let me search here like let me search, like you can search and find picture for your blog post, and just yeah, like that you can use you when you will create account here, so you can download anything like that. And as well, wait a second, maybe my internet is connection is slow. So yeah, like this, just you have to click, right click and like open in new tab. After opening new tab, here you got this download button. So yeah, here click and download this. As well, like click like this, right, and save as image and save this. Okay, in your computer you can save like this. So yeah, our like come again and add our post. My internet is really very slow this time. I don't know what happened. Okay, save this and yeah. Okay, our post is ready now. You can see this is our post, and now click on save draft. Or yeah, wait a few seconds, just almost our like all thing is ready. Yeah, it's loading by the way. Yeah, you can using that website you can download picture for your. So are you ready for seeing magic? Just our magic will happen within second. It's loading now. Okay, you can see table, introduction, and yeah, heading. You can see our post is ready now, ready to launch. You know very well like how to add like picture. You can add category, feature, post you can add, and this is our SEO plugin. Okay, here you can add focus keyword, so it will rank on that keyword. Yeah, this is the small tutorial about that. Second thing you asked to me about this, so yeah, this is like auto content writer. Click on that. Okay, it's available in pro version. Yeah, like when you will purchase this pro version, it's software like you can add title, like 100 title for your post, that you can select like schedule date for that, and category, author, admin. Yeah, like that thing you can select for your 100 post. So at the once you can like publish every all post. So it was a small tutorial. I hope you got your answer, and you can hire me again and again, so I will create awesome like content for you.